Asmita Adhikari. I'm from Delhi. And I am a beauty and fashion content creator. I love makeup, I love fashion. I love dressing up and just being different from everyone. If we talk about my journey, I don't think ऐसा कुछ सिल्वर स्पून या फिर मेरा कोई गॉडफादर था. आई लव दिस फैशन इंडस्ट्री, एक्टिंग इंडस्ट्री. मैंने थिएटर किया है 2 साल इन कॉलेज. आई डू मॉडलिंग साइड बाय साइड. तो सब इट्स ऑल सेल्फ मेड. बट आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ हाउ फार हैव कम. उसके साथ साथ आई लव नेचर. ट्रैकिंग पे जाना, कुछ भी स्पॉन्टेनियस प्लान हो. I'm very caring. If you're nice to me, I'm nice to you. If you're not nice to me, if you're a bitch to me, then I will be the same. And I think one word जो मेरे को बिल्कुल perfectly describe करता है, it has to be real. If I like you, I will be real from day one. If I don't like you, I will never like you. Because honestly, मैं second chances में बिल्कुल believe नहीं करती हूँ. If you like fuck up once, you're done. So मैं स्प्लिट्सविला में आई हूँ to find that missing piece of my life. मैं बहुत टाइम से सिंगल हूँ and I feel like I'm finally ready to find that guy, the man of my dreams. Hopefully I find him.
Hi everyone, this is your insider Simran Bahel और मेरे साथ है अभी अश्मिता. Hi Ashmita, how are you?
Hi, I'm amazing. How are you?
I am great. So we would like to know more about you.
Okay.
Who you actually are. So I have a few questions for you. You would have to answer all of them for me and for your audience.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. So what's the compliment you always get?
I think the most common compliment has to be that I'm very confident. People love the way I carry myself and it just makes me very happy.
And what's the first thing that people notice about you? Especially boys.
वैसे तो बॉयज़ आर रियली लाइक उनका फर्स्ट ऐसे अप्रोच ऐसा होता है कि यू नो आई वाज रियली स्कैर्ड टू टॉक टू यू बिकॉज यू सीम वेरी रूड. बट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स वाइज बोलो तो ज़्यादातर मुझे ऐसे मिला यू हैव लाइक अ वेरी नाइस स्माइल. आई थिंक.
Okay. So how would you make someone fall in love for you?
आई थिंक जस्ट बीइंग माई सेल्फ, जस्ट बाय बीइंग माई सेल्फ.
ऐसे ही हो जाएगा प्यार.
नॉट लाइक I mean, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. We will get to know each other. We'll talk. I will share my habits, what I do. Like होता है ना थोड़ा सा. Yeah, real. In short.
Okay. In 1 minute, tell me why you are worthy for this show.
I feel like I'm very confident. I'm very opinionated. Like I have. मैं ऐसे बोलते ना मैं ऐसे झुंड में नहीं चलती हूँ. I have if 10 लोग एक तरफ है, आई कैन बी द 11th वन जो सबसे अलग है. बट आई रियली स्टैंड विद वॉट आई बिलीव इन एंड आई एम रियली स्टैंड बाय माई प्रिंसिपल्स एंड मोरल्स एंड आई एम वेरी लाइक फिजिकली फिट. I can perform well, I can dance, I can dress well. So I feel like I'm a full package.
Okay, so this full package is searching what qualities in boys.
I want someone जो मेरी तरह like सच्चा है. If you have feelings for me, be real. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमारा कुछ नहीं चल रहा है अच्छे से, तो we can like talk it out. And also, he should be very like family oriented. अपने family से close हो. I really love a very caring and responsible, like mature, emotionally intelligent लड़का. Like in one word, emotionally intelligent and healed. कि ऐसा trait I look for.
मिल जाते हैं क्या आजकल?
मैं इस शो में वही ढूंढने के लिए आई हूँ. आई होप मुझे मिल जाए.
आई होप आपको मिले. बट ये तो हो गई क्वालिटीज की बात. क्या ऐसी चीजें जो आप टॉलरेट ही नहीं कर सकते? क्या ऐसे
नंबर 1 हैज टू बी लाइक बैड हाइजीन. दैट्स लाइक नॉन नेगोशिएबल. वो बिल्कुल मुझे नहीं पसंद है. एंड इफ यूर अ लायर, अगर आप झूठ बोलोगे तो दैट रियली पिसेस मी ऑफ.
Okay, have you been into relationships?
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
So what kind of a relationship you're looking for
Now?
now?
I think I am genuinely looking for something really opposite of what I had. Like tall ho and with abs, physically fit. Because you know I'm not gonna shy away or anything. And I just want him to be loving and caring, like
so
me.
you said you are not going to shy away.
Yeah, not
कि
at all.
सबकी लव लाइफ में कुछ अनयूजुअल से और क्यूट से क्वर्क्स होते हैं. आपके क्या हैं?
Clean shaved.
Clean shaved guys you like. So अगर clean shave आता है तो you'll go all mad over him.
Yeah, not all mad over him. I want him to थोड़ा सा chase.
Okay.
Because थोड़ा सा तो अच्छा लगता है ना कि लड़का सामने से आ रहा है, he's approaching, तो वो थोड़ा attractive भी
So you'll
लगता है.
play safe या फिर you'll fall first.
एकदम से तो like I can act, I can test him, but एकदम से तो I won't fall because falling में it takes time to build that trust.
Have any fetish?
Fetish. I don't know if it's a fetish, but the first thing I noticed about a guy, the nails. The fingers, hands uske, hands, you can say hands, like unke veins, nase. That's really attractive.
So you love that.
Yeah.
You want that in a guy.
Yeah.
Have you been into relationships, right? One.
Yeah, just one.
So is there any story of an ex or something like that you don't like or you don't want to remember? Any toxic trait, something like that?
There was one that as I said, I hate when a guy lies. So he went for a movie, अपने दोस्तों के साथ गया, and I said कि मुझे ये movie देखना है, same movie. मैंने उससे बोला कि we'll watch. He said no, I'm busy, मैं नहीं जा सकता करके. Same day वो movie देखने गया. That's why did you lie? आप आराम से भी मुझे बोल देते कि I have plan with my guys. हम किसी और दिन चले जाते, कुछ और plan बना देते. Because there are always like alternatives. आप हर चीज़ कर सकते हो. And I'm not like कि मैं आपको रोकूंगी, मत जाओ, ये मत करो उनके साथ. I'm like very like chill about all these things. But if you lie to me, it really pisses me off. Like
Lying is something you don't
Yeah.
like. So you had an ex, right? अगर वो इस show में आ जाए,
that would be fun. I honestly want him to come.
कुछ अभी भी है क्या दिल में थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ?
नहीं. It's like थोड़ा सा jealousy वाला factor ना कि थोड़ा सा jealous हो. Like what you lost.
Okay. What is your love language?
Physical touch.
Physical touch. So प्यार में तुम किस हद तक जा सकती हो?
किसी भी हद तक. किसी भी if like I'm like truly madly in love, ऐसा मेरा हो गया, mindset हो गया है कि I really love that guy, बहुत genuine है, अच्छा है, taking good care of me, तो मैं जा सकती हूँ किसी भी हद तक.
और उस कनेक्शन पे अगर कोई और लड़की हिट करने की कोशिश करे तो what would be your reaction?
Honestly, बहुत maturely handle करूँगी मैं. It also depends कि जो मेरा connection है, how he feels. If he is interested in her, तो मैं उसको कुछ force नहीं करूँगी कि stay with him. वो तो बहुत ज़बरदस्ती वाला हो जाएगा. But if he's like not interested in her, वो ज़बरदस्ती कर रही है, then तो फिर I will fight.
You'll fight?
Yeah, I'll
You'll
fight.
stay for it?
Yeah.
तो अगर समझ लो ये तुम्हारा वो कनेक्शन है जिससे तुम बहुत प्यार करती हो, तो उसकी एक गो टू फ्लर्टिंग लाइन बताओ मुझे जो तुम उसको बोलोगी.
I don't really have any pickup lines, because वो मुझे मिलते हैं, मैं ऐसे देती नहीं हूँ pickup lines.
Okay, tough one, tough call. अच्छा मुझे कोई ऐसी बात बताओ जो किसी को भी नहीं पता हो तुम्हारे बारे में.
I think it has to be like I'm very spiritual. वो लोगों को देख के ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मैं बहुत spiritual हूँ, भगवान वगैरह पूजा वूजा करने वाली मैं लगती नहीं हूँ, but I am.
तो तुम किसी के घर की बहू बनोगी तो एकदम वो शुद्ध संस्कारी आज्ञाकारी बहू बनोगी.
I think so. I hope so.
अच्छा तुम स्प्लिट्सविला के लिए आई हो, ऑफ कोर्स प्यार ढूंढने तो आई ही होगी, साथ में टाइटल जीतना भी चाहती होगी.
चाहती होगी. I am here for it.
Okay.
I am going to win the show. I am winning the show with my connection.
So
I have like this confidence.
far can you go for the title?
As far as my connection can go, because I want to win this with him.
So have you made any game plan या strategy?
नहीं, no game plans. I'm just, as I said, I'm just gonna be real. I'm just gonna follow my heart. जो मुझे उस समय जो सही लग रहा है, I will stick to that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so, I will accept that. What is being worse, being dumped or being ignored?
I think being dumped is the worst, because girl, you should be the one dumping him, not him.
Okay, now I think we all know enough about you. Going to the next thing, we have a
Okay.
game for you.
Okay,
जिसका नाम है check it और chuck it.
let's go.
Okay. So this is a rapid fire game. I'll ask you some questions. मुझे जल्दी बताना है, is it a check it for you or chuck it for you?
Okay, let's
the
go.
reason why.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
So imagine it's your boyfriend. So it's what if your boyfriend always checks your phone?
Check it. I think you can. There's nothing to hide.
Nice. Shares your toothbrush.
Chocolate. As I said, hygiene problems, bro. नहीं, अपना रखो.
Flirts with other girls while he's drunk.
Chocolate. That's a loser behavior. No.
Friends with his ex.
Chocolate. That's next to impossible. वो हो ही नहीं सकता फिर मेरा boyfriend.
क्यों?
That's toxic. That's really toxic. How can you be friends with your ex? That's just so stupid.
True that. Prompts in uploading story, but is slow when it comes to replying to your text.
Chuck it. I love my man to be obsessed with me. जल्दी reply करो.
अगर वो तुम्हें फोर्स करे पासवर्ड शेयर करने के लिए OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स के या फिर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स के.
I think check it. चलता है इतना. Sharing is caring.
हर चीज शेयर कर लोगे?
I think चलता है because I said ना if I'm in love तो मैं कर देती हूँ.
सब हो जाएगा धीरे-धीरे से. Wants to know your live location.
Chuck it.
Mama's boy.
Chuck it. Fuck no.
Abhi you said that you want a family guy who loves
No,
his
family guy
and
is
everything.
different. Being a mama's boy is very different.
Okay, ठीक है.
I have
get it.
मतलब मैंने कभी डेट नहीं किया but I have friends जो बिल्कुल mama's boy हैं and you know they're like brats. वो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए.
PDA lover.
Check it. Works.
Says I love you too soon.
Chuck it. Never trust a guy too soon.
Dirty talks in serious scenarios.
Chuck it. Because you know, as I said, मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है तो it will piss me off. तो मत करो उसके बीच में तो.
ठीक है. So with this answer we end this game. Moving forward, there's the last game. I'll tell you some props. उन props में से कोई एक prop आपको select करना जो आपकी personality पे match करता है.
Okay.
Okay? So the props are handcuffs, blindfold, feather tickler, mirror, heels, playing cards, candle, hunter, lollipop और banana.
Ooh, I love all the options, but I will go with mirror.
Okay. Dun dun dun. Here's the mirror.
Oh, magic!
But why?
As I said, I love myself, very self-obsessed, and I would love to do things in front of the mirror. I like to
things?
see.
Can you please थोड़ा सा tell me?
Later. Next question.
So one message you would love to give to all the boys in the villa.
I think बहुत simple सा मैं दूँगी कि just be real with me. You know, don't fake it because I'm a very real girl. अगर आपके पास feelings है, if you're genuinely looking for a connection, I am the one. I really want to fall in love. मेरे को सच्ची में वो सब romance, drama, रोना धोना, fight वगैरह सब experience करना है. तो अगर आपको भी वो करना है तो
Go for
I'm
me.
here. Select me. Choose me.
एक मैसेज जो आप लड़कियों को देना चाहोगी विला की.
तो लड़कियों के लिए तो मैं बहुत सिंपल सॉर्टेड रखूँगी कि इफ़ यू आर नाइस टू मी I will be nice to you. If you're not, I'm going to make this hell for you. Because मैं honestly स्पिट्स विला में आई हूँ, फ्रेंडशिप विला में नहीं आई हूँ. So मैं ऐसे ग्रुपिज्म मेरा नहीं चलता है ये सब. And if you think it's bad, I will make it worse for you.
I love how she's so clear with her things. One
you so
message you
much.
would love to give to all your fans.
I hope I entertain you all. आप मुझे पसंद करो for just being me. And I hope कि मैं जो चीज़ें करती हूँ या बोलूँगी या जो भी करूँगी उससे आप चीज़ relate कर पाओ. And I also want you to understand that never give up. This is like very different. But मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि if you think you are good at something, go for it. You
Motivate
can do
हो
it.
गई
Yeah.
मैम.
I really want to motivate my fans and I want my fans to love me.
That's so sweet. With this, we'll say bye to our fans. Say bye. And give a flying kiss.